agad. Okay? My first manipulation is raking to check the alignment of spine. Okay. Effleurage, heart shape for my transition. Next variation is ironing using my knuckle. Sides. Effleurage, heart shape for my transition. Ironing using my palm. Nakikita nyo kung paano siya i-execute? Lalagyan nyo ng pressure. Effleurage, heart shape for my transition. My next variation is two-handed circular. Two-handed circular, sabay yun lang, di ba siya sa alternate. Okay? Heart shape for my transition. Next is effleurage raking, alternate. Effleurage heart shape for my transition. Alternate circular. Palabas lagi, ikaw ha, palabas. Outside. Diba? Full moon, half moon, full moon, half moon. Nakita naman, di ba? Okay. Heart shape, effleurage for my transition. Last variation is nerve stroke. Effleurage, heart shape. Preparing the body of my patient for my next manipulation. Tetrisage, one hand. Makikita niyo kung paano gawin yung letter C. Traps. Effleurage, heart shape for my transition. And next variation is ocean wave. Ocean wave, make sure na yung wave. Ha, kasi pag hindi, superficial warming lang yun. Okay? Heart shape for my transition. Next variation is pulling. Pressure pababa. Kita-kita naman. Pressure paakyat. Heart shape, effleurage. Next is skin rolling. Effleurage for my transition. Third manipulation, friction. So Superficial warming. Heart shape. Next variation is sewing. Effleurage, heart shape. For my transition. Next manipulation is friction. Ay, friction na pala. Wala. Tama lang. Tapotment na pala tayo for manipulation. Diffuse. Lalagpasan ng lower back palagi pero may pressure yung andar ng palad. Okay lang, ma'am.
Ganun pala yun. Akala ko kasi kanina.
Ngayon ka lang natalaga ng tama.
Oo, ma'am. May ganina na torture.
Transition muna tayo bago natin takpan yung likod ni patient. Tapos ulit, pounding. Lalagpasan mo lang to, pwede ka mag-pounding sa puwet. Pinchment. Pulsing. Tapos, punctuation. Hacking. Working. Mapping. Okay yung tunog? Sige, baba tayo. Bago yun, vibration muna. Ng fine vibration. Yung fine vibration nyo, hindi yung ginawa ni nanay na ganun ka. Ayan. Pag fine vibration sa baba, pwede na siguro yung fingertips. Kasi nasa ano yung